Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. I'm Melissa Brecht, co-owner of Weldon Hardware, your hometown hardware store. A topic we often get asked for help with is how to free a clogged drain, be it a sink, shower, or toilet. So let's go through your choices to unclog your pipes and keep them running. Now, for most clogs, a plunger is all you need, but not all plungers are the same. This is because not all drains and plumbing fixtures are the same. There are small ones for sinks, universal ones for most showers, tubs, and toilets, but then there are heavy-duty ones, just shaped for toilets. Some even use batteries to really give you some force behind the clog. If you have a double sink, cover the other drain with a heavy wet towel to improve the suction. Now, if this doesn't clear the clog, your next step is to use a drain snake. There are short, flexible ones for bathroom sinks and showers. For toilet clearing, a thicker metal snake is a good tool, usually between 3 to 6 feet in length. These are also known as toilet augers. Now, for clogs further into a pipe, there are manual and drill-powered snakes ranging in length from 15 to 50 feet. Now, any clog further than 50 feet, we strongly recommend hiring a plumber. So let's talk about another clog-busting option, natural and chemical solutions. First, try just boiling water down the drain. This won't work through standing water clog, though. You can also try adding a half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of white vinegar, and let that sit for at least 30 minutes. The last option is a chemical drain cleaner, like Drano or Liquid Plumber. These can be effective for tough clogs, but should be used as a last resort due to their harsh chemicals. Always follow the manufacturer's safety instructions and wear protective gear. Also note, you should never plunge a clog after you've used chemical drain cleaner. It could splash back up and cause harm. One more thing you could try, but only if you have access to the pipes under the drain, typically only for sinks. Locate the P-trap, the curved pipe under the sink. Place a bucket underneath and unscrew it to manually remove debris like hair and soap scum. Cleaning out P-traps regularly help prevent future clogs as well. Now, for kitchen sink clogs with garbage disposals, turn off the power to the disposal first. Then try using a plunger to dislodge the clog, or pour the mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the drain, followed by really hot water. If the clog persists, you may need to use a hex wrench to turn the disposal blades or physically clean the drain trap. Most disposals have this tool, and sometimes it's called a jam buster wrench. Now, if you have a drain that clogs frequently, here are some tips to help prevent future clogs. If you don't have a garbage disposal, avoid letting food scraps go down the drain. Use a drain strainer in your kitchen sink to help keep the food out. Don't pour grease or oil down your sink drain. Instead, pour grease into a sealable container and then throw the sealed container in the trash. Otherwise, grease can stick to the inside of your pipes and lead to a clogged sink. Pour a pot of hot water down your kitchen sink drain once a week to melt away any residual fat or grease that may have collected inside your pipes. Be sure to pour the water slowly to avoid any splashing. In your bathroom sinks and tubs, clean drain stoppers on a regular basis. Hair, soap scum, and other gunk can collect on the stoppers and slow down the drainage or cause completely clogged drains. Never flush any paper products other than toilet paper down the toilet. Avoid those trendy flushable wipes because they don't break down like regular toilet paper. If you have any questions about your specific drain situation, give us a call or come on down, and don't hesitate to ask for guidance or advice. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Mondays with Melissa, and I can't wait to share more of us at Weldon Hardware with you at home.